What's up YouTube, GV Trades here again, up for another day. Today's December 16th, and today I took a dub during edge session last night on my alpha accounts, so we'll go over that trade. And I also took a break-even trade pre-market with the topstep accounts, so that's why I won like $1 or so. And also during NY session, for some reason the topstep platform decided to shut down for a long time, so I was not able to trade, and I also missed a pretty nice shorts to the downside here. Yeah, I could have made at least like a 1 to 2 if I trailed this, but anyways, I was not able to play the trade because of the fact that topstep was having its own issues. So we'll go over the alpha trades right now. So going into the day, we do have this previous daily high, daily low. And obviously we went lower overnight pretty aggressively. So I had the draw right here, which is the previous daily low. So let's go over the 5-minute actually. It's much easier to see. So yeah, previous daily low, this is, where is it? December 15. Right here. Where is market open? So market open right here. As you can see, we took the previous daily low really quickly within 1 hour. Now at this point I was actually waiting to see if we're going to reverse back up, so we can target some of the liquidity up here, which is, I think there was like a 4-hour gap or 1 hour gap to the upside. But we didn't, we kept dumping and dumping. So at this point, I had this target right here, which is a 1 hour untapped gap from November 25th. I'll show you that right now. So right here, never been tapped. So that was my next target if we're gonna go lower. So I waited for more confirmation. This is definitely more of a continuation trade, as you can see. I pretty much entered, so we had this 5-minute gap as well that was holding us pretty well. I don't think we had a 15-minute gap. Yeah, no 15-minute gaps right here, but we were displacing to the downside heavier. That's why I went short on this trade, obviously. I'm not going to try and catch a reversal off of this. And then after this candle right here, this was my entry point, I believe. I can turn on the execution just to make sure. But I'm pretty sure I entered off of that candle. Pretty sure. Yeah, I went 5 macros off of that. So the next candle, I mean, then 206, so around here, 206.25. I believe my stop loss was right here, just above. I'm going for a 1 to 1, so 130. 130.75 was the take profit. So it should be 1 to 1 right here, because I only go for 1 to 1s on the alpha majority of the time. So 70 point stop loss, 5 macros each. As you can see, we took profit in that same 5-minute candle. So this trade was pretty quick. And yeah, like I said, just a simple continuation trade. Nothing less, nothing more. But yeah, after this I took off. I didn't really do much after this. Like at this point we started ranging over here, and then London session decided to rip back up to the upside. It's always been London session, so somehow Asia session accumulates, and then somehow London session manipulates down here. Probably stopped out some shorts, then boom, we disappeared to the upside, and then market open right here. Let's go over the topstep accounts right now. Trade that I took. So this one was the 8:30 candle. I believe it was NFP day as well today. A couple of red news folders. So for this one, I was actually waiting for us to tap into this gap right here, but we never did. So at this point I wanted to target the day at the lows right here. Right there. So if I entered off of this candle here, which is the 1 minute candle, I think it was somewhere here. I think mid candle of this 1 minute. Pretty sure. I was targeting obviously the data lows. Obviously I got break even. I thought we were just gonna keep flushing, but I went break even when we closed this candle right here. So you can see, tap back into it right away within 1 minute. Then eventually it flushed within 3 minutes. So whatever. So break even. That's why I got this dollar win. And then, like I told you already, topstep decided to do something weird today again. Shut down their services during NY session, which was so annoying. But whatever. So yeah, we made an SMT with ES right here. Actually at the 4 hour and top gap. That's why I was more leaning bearish as well. I mean targeting the bearish drawn liquidity, which is London lows right here. So we had two draws. The 4 hour and top gap, and then the data lows, obviously. But yeah, I could have entered right here. I could have banked like I wanted to. Our trade right here. I could have traded my stop loss just right here, to be honest with you. If topstep didn't decide to do anything today, but it is what it is. But yeah, SMT, and then we had this 1 minute gap that was holding us pretty well. And I could have entered off of this candle right here. Right there. Stop loss like 50 points. My main target was obviously the London lows, obviously, but I usually trade on my stop if I'm usually up by like a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2. So, but yeah, that was the trade that I missed today. And it seems like we took the 4 hour on top gap just now. So, but yeah, that's it. I'll probably at this point I'll probably try trading London again, because I know my sessions have been a little crappy today, especially with the platform outages, especially with topstep. But who knows? We'll see what we get tonight. I mean, if I don't see anything tonight, then definitely NY session. But yeah, because I do believe we have news tomorrow as well. December 6th, 17th. Actually, nothing much. So, December 18th is CPI. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, have a good day. Peace out.